In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Suno AI subscription step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Suno AI website. Log in to your account using your email and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, click on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Next, go to the billing or subscription section in your account settings. Here, you will see information about your current plan and payment details. Look for the option called Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to review the cancellation details such as the billing date and remaining access period. After confirming, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle.